right, Owen, show me what you have here. What do you have here?
Thomas.
You have what?
Thomas.
Thomas, show me. Oh my gosh.
This is Thomas. That's Thomas.
That's Thomas?
Yeah.
And who is who's this one right here?
That's Rusty. This is this.
Who is this? This is Smudger? His name's Smudger?
And my Rexer.
Yeah. And what's this one here? What is this, like? You got some cargo or something?
Coal. It's coal.
Oh, it's coal? Oh, yeah, you're right. It's coal. All right, show me how this train, what happens here.
It has some wheels. Some wheels.
It's got some wheels?
Yeah.
So show me what happens. We push the train around, and then, oh my gosh, it's going to go over the bridge. What does the train say?
I put orange bets.
Okay. And then,
Let's go.
whoop. Uh-oh.
Let's go on you.
Oh gosh, the coal fell out.
I fix it.
You fix it. Oh, and then it goes under here, huh? Oh gosh, this is complex. Gosh, what's going to happen here?
It's going to dump.
It's going to drop it in there?
Dump. Get some gold.
Get some coal in there? That's cool. And, oh, what's that?
Mine.
What is this here?
Mine.
Let's see what this is.
It's a book.
Oh, it's
Mine.
a Thomas book?
Mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Is that a Thomas book?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a pretty neat book.
I got Thomas. This is not go on the sack.
That doesn't go on the track?
This just go on the sack. This go on the sack.
Yeah. What's his name? I think it's Smudger. Is it Smudger?
This is Thomas. This is Rusty. This is Mr. This is Cole.
Okay. Wow, it looks like you're having some fun with that train.
Don't knock it down.
Don't knock it down. Woo! Choo-choo.
Come.
Wow. I think Owen played with this for an hour straight already today. Whoa.
Ooh. There's wrinkles on there.
And then drop some coal in? Is that what happens? Does that drop some coal into
Yes.
there?
My bow. It dumped some coal in there.
Oh, I see. It dropped some coal in there. I see. That's pretty neat.
No, I'll put the sand.
Is that the coal? Oh, yeah, that's the coal.
No, that's not coal. This is coal.
Okay.